guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your Bianca Bellezza girls. Today we are going out for shopping. Hello everybody, welcome back again. Today I'm going out for shopping, and not only that, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe. In case today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. It's your Bianca Bellezza girls. I'm into lifestyle vlogger. I'm a lifestyle vlogger, and also into it with all passion and all pleasure. And I'm a makeup artist, and yeah, the best makeup artist of 2020 and 2021 till December 2021. Okay, and after that 2021 December, I may still carry on, no left for me, understand. So it's okay, I remain humble. Thank you so much, guys. I'm so excited. That is why the spirit is like this, guys. Forgive the lipstick, you know. Wearing a lip gloss and you are going out, you are gonna put on your mask. It's not a nice idea. It's not a good idea at all, because once you put on your mask will take off those lip gloss. Okay, so it's better you don't use lip gloss, you just use matte, you know. Or I wanted to go on lip gloss. Like, the lips were so poppy, it was so gorgeous, and I didn't even line my eyebrow. You can see my eyebrow, I just brush it, nothing on my eyebrow. This is my natural hair eyebrow that I have over there. And that is it, guys. Thank you for coming in. Today we are going for shopping. Obi asked me to take the kids out for shopping, to take them to choose their choice. Yeah, we are going out, and at the same time I'm also going to a place called Perfumeria, where they sell perfumes. And yeah, I have perfume a lot, some, not more than, I don't know. Yeah, I'm a lover of perfume, but I don't do collection. I only buy when I love it, and you know, I come across it, I love, and I buy. And I think this perfume is the one of oh my god, Ungaro or Bungari, una cosa così. Sì, a me piace così, voglio andare a prenderlo. A prenderlo, niente di che. So guys, keep on watching. In case if I can vlog it, I will surely vlog it. Mano in boca, no. If I can vlog it, I will surely try and vlog it. But if I can't vlog it, once we get home, I will surely vlog it. I will surely, you know, let you guys know what we have. But the idea is some shoes for the kids, baby Serena, baby Sophia, and baby Samuele. So we are going to be looking for some beautiful shoes that they love, and that is it. I will be going for perfumes, and after that, and also for, I need one big brown highlighter. Oh my god, someone just woke Serena up. Oh my god. So guys, that is it. I can get myself a beautiful lighter. I'm supposed to go for Kiko, but you know, because of this lockdown, we are still on lockdown. I can't drive out of my zone. Yeah, so I can go out. I just need to go to any place whereby they sales of these big browns. Okay, keep watching, and I'm about to pick baby Sophia, and later then I'm going out for the shopping. As I said before, we are going out for the shopping. This lip gloss, oh my god, so painful. Let me see if I have another one. It's beautiful, guys. How do I look for a light makeup? This lashes is all those years of lashes. Then when I do wear these lashes, people were complaining it's too long, and the one that I'm wearing now, those 8D 6D, this very one is too rough fit. So we upgrade. I love longer lashes. Just let you makeup to make you too pop. Keep watching. Should I continue the gist? Do you like the gist, or I should just hand it, then vlog the remaining of the video? So guys, keep watching. And my hands are hot now. I'm feeling some pain on my boobies. I think because of the cold. Yeah, keep watching, guys. I love you all, my queens. Whenever I'm vlogging, doing things like this, I feel as if I'm in the middle of you, or you know. It's a beautiful and a nice feeling though. Yeah, keep watching, guys, and I love you all. Keep watching, okay? Manage this video. It's not a like this is not my video. No foundation, just a lighter lipstick and one color eyeshadow. That is it. It lashes without eyebrow. So terrible, but manage it with me. So guys, I'm gonna finish the video right now because we are home. We are about to take our bath. Tini chocolate. Imagine. With light and this one also with light, and this one also with light.
No, questo qui è il mio.
This one goes with light also. And the one that Sophia needed, just that her own, it was she don't have her own what they call it, her own size. Yeah. So here comes my own shoes, everyday going out with this very shoe here. This is everyday going out, and this one is these are made in Italy. Docker, Bam, Gele, boots and shoe. boot and shoe. I know it's a boot and shoe. They are telling me that it's boot and shoe. So this is this will be my everyday going out and taking the kid to school, putting on my dress. I'll use it to snap picture tomorrow. Then I will insert it so that you guys can see it. The one of the kids, the one with someone on there, and also this is not expensive. It's just 50 euro. You just vamos, vieni a fare la doccia. This is got a beautiful candlelight. Oh, that is beautiful. Look at that, guys. This is beautiful. Okay, it's a beautiful candle. That's a beautiful candle. Okay. Isadona Bingo to love. So what we're going to do? Oh. They have it in different sets. Of candle. It's beautiful. I love this thing. I love this thing. So beautiful. Okay guys, I'll bring this video to an end right now so that I can go and take care of my kids. Okay guys, I'm gonna take care of my kids. Thank you for watching this video. It's still your baby. And bye guys. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.